Charlie Cushane here to do another video. This time we are gonna renovate our pool. We have a house down in Florida. It's a 1985 house, and the pool's starting to show its age and has a lot of cracks in the lanai. We're gonna do a complete makeover, so stay tuned to see how it turns out. As you can see, it's a very nice pool. It's sort of like a, I don't know, kidney bean. It's not your typical square pool. It has a raised seating area over there. And it has those, as you can see, tiles, older tiles. And one of the things that bothers me the most is if you look down here, the cracks. Can you see the cracks right there? They're all over the place. And there's no real good way to fix those permanently. So that's one of the things we're going to do, is we're going to actually take this and re-gunite the whole pool, the bottom of the pool, and we're going to put pavers everywhere. So now the effort is, I have to remove everything in here. So let's get started. First thing we gotta do is drain the pool. The pool's almost drained. And we're filling the swale. Look at that. They're building a dam. Okay, the pool is all done. And I have to say, it came out fantastic. All the details from the turtle to the steps, they came out fantastic. Look at the detail and how good they did on those steps. Spectacular job. Now I'm putting water in it and filling it. Well, here's the pool filling up after all night, 15 hours. It's not even up to the first step. It looks good, but man, it's going to take maybe 36 hours is what I estimate. That's a lot of water going in very slowly.
Echala, perrito. Bien clean, yo, man.
Well, the pool water is looking great. They came yesterday, did all those chemicals, and it looks much, much clearer. A large part of yesterday was putting in the perimeter drain, as you see here. And the trick was getting it level and under the two tracks for the hurricane screens, as you see there. It was a lot of work to get it like this and get a trough, and then they put, looks like some kind of cement down there. But all the way around, I think that's going to set the height of the pavers and the edge of the pavers, and that'll be something they start from there. But you can tell what a good job they're doing. Well, here you have it. The pavers are all done. The workers are just leaving. It came out fantastic. New perimeter drain, wider than what I had. They had to raise the door because the bricks came up higher there. Everything's new. Just the attention to detail was fantastic. They left me a whole bunch of pavers and sand just in case. They even went out the door and did this little pad, which looks fantastic. Wow. I guess they even send a guy in a couple days to do a thorough cleaning of the entire area, pressure wash the lanai screens and everything. So it'll even get better than this, I guess.